Good morning to everyone. I'm Jupiter speaking to all of yours. To see, I was already there in the precinct of the barangays. The man, he cannot already present, the woman cannot presenting, he chose that name, no? Because he's right to the invoke of the right of way. That's always the invoke of the right of way in the Philippines Constitution. What's that? Because of the invoke of right of way. Go to international laws and then you invoke of right of way. I don't know what happened to you. I am on Jupiter, Emperor of Animals Kingdoms, and Emperors of Roman Catholic, Jupiter Kisa. I am also the judge of International Jupiter. I am Suste. I am prophets to those people. If to those people, we have to already to invade to us. You have to create of your own YouTube channel. Don't like or copy paste. Copy paste. You're not already creating your own self. To the dark side people, the diabolical people, you are not my own bloods. You are the bloods of the demons. And very clearly. Huh? Even me, I will die. You're not recognized. To those people you claiming my own children's, Jupiter will not have own children's. Even was already as a teenage that time, no? Don't like stupid. Goodbye everyone. You're happy this morning if you're watching my own YouTube channel. Arigato gozaimasu. Sakran. Gracias mi amor. It's not my own dog. You see? Hello Yasi. I am Yasi. My daddy is Jupiter. Oops. Don't be kiss my own. Don't be smack my on my mouth. Don't be smack. Hey. Stop it. Bye-bye.